Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to find the gradient from a graph. So you can see here we've got a straight line on our Cartesian plane and we're going to find its gradient. So in the form y equals mx plus c, we're going to work out how to find this. So the first thing we need to do is find 2 points that we can read off of our graph. So for example, I can read this point, 0, 4, and I can read this point, which is at 2, 10. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now turn these 2 points and that section of the line into a right-angled triangle. This gives me the rise and run, which are the 2 things I need in order to find the gradient. So the rise is your vertical line, and here we can see that it goes from 4 to 10, so the rise is 6. The run is the horizontal line, and here we can see that it goes from 0 to 2, and that is a run of 2. So in order to find gradient, we use the formula m, or gradient, is equal to rise divided by run. In this graph, that's 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Let's look at another example. So step number 1 was find 2 points that you can read off. We can't read this point here off. It's not accurately anything except for 1, but we can read this one. So we could choose that one. Same down here, we can read this one. So by picking 2 points that we can read and know exactly where they are, we can easily find rise, which is the vertical part of our triangle, and run, which is the horizontal. So in this instance, the rise is equal to 3 as it moves through 3, and the run is equal to 1 because it moves across 1. So our gradient then is rise divided by run, in this instance 3 over 1, so this gradient would also be 3. Let's look at one more example. So again, the first thing we need to do is pick 2 points that we can read off. I can read this point off, and I can easily read this point off. The second thing we need to do is create a right-angled triangle. That's my right-angled triangle. So I can then work out the rise, which is a rise of 2, and I can work out the run, which is a run of 3. The gradient is equal to the rise divided by the run. So in this instance, it will be 2 over 3. Thanks for watching.